Are you getting the unable to access account error when trying to use TikTok on your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple solutions to fix the unable to access account issue on TikTok. Let's dive in and get it sorted out. Before jumping into any solutions, let's check a few basic things. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that helps. Turn off your VPN if you're using one. Solution 1. Clear the app cache. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. If TikTok isn't showing up right away, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload app. And confirm by tapping Offload again. After that, tap on Reinstall app. Solution 2. Turn off live activity. First, open the Settings app again. Then scroll down to the bottom of the list. Tap on Apps. Now find and tap on the TikTok app. Next, toggle the live activity option on. If it's already on, toggle it off and then back on again. And don't forget to toggle on the background app refresh option as well. Now go ahead and open TikTok to try logging in again. If you're still facing the same issue, let's move on to the next solution. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Press and hold the TikTok app icon on your home screen. Then tap on Remove app. After that, tap Delete app. Now go to the App Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Type TikTok in the search bar. Now tap to install the app again. Check to see if this resolves your issue. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down to find and tap Transfer Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. If prompted, enter your iPhone's passcode. Tap Reset network settings again to confirm. Once the reset is complete, go ahead and check whether the issue is resolved. I hope one of these solutions worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit this like button. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.